Kyle, Cole, Chase, and me. And Kyle will be doing the cinnamon challenge. And Cole. Okay, go.
You're stupid. You're retarded. You're mentally retarded. You are mentally ill.
Shut up,
Go to
Chase,
special.
shut up. I'm gonna have to do the video again. It's like butthole, doesn't it? You gonna do it?
Okay. Oh, it's not
Let me pour it for you.
There's all that cinnamon.
I got. I spilled it again.
Oh, dang! That burned the tongue.
Ah. Get on there, stupid thing. Kyle, put that lid on it.
We don't want to mess with that.
Ready?
We don't want to mess with that.
Oh, stop it.